Alright, we are here at a little pop-up at Bain Co-op where Monica is going to be cooking some vegan food. So I'm going to go in and try some nice vegan cuisine and we're going to show you some nice food.
Miss Mo is me, aka Monica. I've always loved cooking. So my family, which is my son, my husband, my nephew, my niece, my cousin, we're all here and we're cooking for the community. So this is a pop-up vegan, gluten-free restaurant today. My hope is that people come out that don't know each other, they sit down community style and they become friends. So that's part of the meaning for me, is that I want community to be involved in it. And I have part of the proceeds going to All Creatures Rescue Toronto, which is an animal rescue, and I have Feed It Forward coming at the end of the night to pick up any leftovers so that there will be zero waste.
So this is the gardener's pie. It's a shepherd's pie, a vegan shepherd's pie I should say. Mixed vegetables in here. It's mushrooms infused with potatoes, regular potatoes inside here and sweet potatoes. It still has a bit of a meaty texture to it. The lentils on the bottom is a replacement for the ground meat.
So this is all community-based, like I said. We're Beaches residents, so I've literally lived here my whole entire life. So we want to stay local. We are supporting local. Everything that we bought is literally bought local. All the local bakeries, everything is local. And our locations are going to be in the area: Beaches, Leslieville, Danforth, Gerrard.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, and leave a comment because we make videos every week and we'd love for you to come back. Until next time.